This is the summary created from the video IoT Cloud. The Internet of Things refers to the connection of devices and sensors to the Internet, enabling a vast exchange of data and services. Combining cloud computing's capabilities with the Internet of Things creates the IoT Cloud, allowing for huge volumes of data and a variety of services to be delivered with improved performance. IoT architectures consist of device, gateway, network, and cloud layers that enable connectivity, data aggregation, event processing, and management interfaces. IoT systems must handle scalability challenges with large data volumes, provide real-time processing capabilities, operate across distributed environments, and overcome interoperability issues arising from heterogeneous devices and protocols. Cloud computing plays a crucial role in IoT by providing infrastructure-free, on-demand services for storage, processing security, and scalability of IoT data. Typical IoT cloud architectures include user, proximity network, public network, provider cloud, and enterprise network layers, facilitating seamless coordination between IoT and cloud services. The integration of IoT and cloud infrastructures involves gateways, connectivity protocols like MQTT and COAP, operating system containers, and cloud-based software platforms providing core functionalities. An example of an IoT cloud application is the Vehicular Data Cloud, which combines IoT devices, cloud services, and communication networks to enable intelligent parking, data mining, and cooperative services for vehicular applications. IoT cloud systems address challenges related to scaling, speed, safety, security, and privacy while enabling personalized, commercial, and industrial applications by combining sensors, communicating devices, and cloud analytics. The key takeaway is that the IoT Cloud represents the integration of sensors and devices with cloud scalability, requiring real-time processing for continuous data streams, overcoming interoperability challenges, and seamlessly managing complex IoT systems through cloud-based analytics. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.